Alright guys, I've been working on a lot of these Power Ranger helmets, but something came across my mind and I was thinking to myself, there are stunt visors and regular visors, and I was wondering, could I make a stunt visor that could be removable? So that's what I did. So as you can see right here, I actually made the visor separate, just so I can actually adjust it and have it placed into the back on the inside of the helmet, as you can see right here. It actually lays flush around the borderline. So after that, I actually added the holes for the stunt visor right here, and I'm going to be printing that out on one of my CR10s downstairs. So I placed it into my simplified 3D slicing program. I placed it on here because I don't really need supports right here in the holes, because it actually prints out very nice and smoothly right there. This is actually going to take about 7 hours and 23 minutes, so I'll be putting that on the print bed tonight and check on it on the morning. And the supports come out nice and clean. That way I can insert it into the Green Ranger helmet I just printed out yesterday. Oh yeah, I think this is going to come out real nicely. I got a good thickness on this, so it's not too thick and not too thin, so I really think this will be perfect for that helmet. And if it works for this helmet, it'll work for a lot of other helmets, so that way we can have interchangeable visors. Alright, so far so good. First layer was great. No shifting. Awesome. Just 6 more hours to go. Alright, it's already morning. It took about 8 hours and 10 minutes to print this thing out. And it came out really nice. Luckily, I had enough filament. I didn't think I had enough. I was worried. So we're gonna see about pulling this out. Whew, I was really stuck on there. Alright, so I think it came out really nice. We have a good, nice size to these. As you guys can see, you wear this, you'll be able to see right through it. Now the real test, does this fit inside the helmet? Alright, so it looks like it fits really well. What I did for now is just added some tape just to hold it in place, because later on I'm going to attach it with Velcro so that way it stays in place, and then you can actually pop it out if you later on you want to install a visor and exchange it, you know. I think this will be a good option for all of the helmets. What do you guys think?